Hey folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I want to share with you an alternate way that you may have taken part in the recent energy boom. Now, energy sector has been the number one performing sector for 2021. It was the number one sector that got destroyed in 2020. Now, the reason I personally love the energy sector and trade it is because volatility presents opportunity, and I love opportunity. So, I want to show you this, how you could have captured a good run in the energy sector without necessarily having to buy oil itself. So before I jump in, of course, whatever I share with you is for information and educational purposes only. Take a quick second, read this over, and we're going to jump right in. Now, the company we're going to talk about today is Valero Energy Corporation. These are the different styles that maybe you've seen over the years and the way that they branded themselves. Valero has gone from everything from a refiner to all the way a retailer on the street. You may have purchased gas and put it in your vehicle or diesel. The likeliness is if you had purchased blacktop or redone your driveway, Valero may have had a part in it as well. So Valero is really a refining company. They are the number one refiners of gasoline and the number two refiners of blacktop. So it gives you an idea here just the magnitude of the size of this company and how they play a role in the global, I shouldn't say global, but here in the United States, how they play that role in the petroleum refining business and how they take it from refining all the way to retail. So, interesting way to get exposure to the oil sector, to the energy sector, without actually buying oil or an ETF. You could have bought or invested in a stock, not even a stock so much that just for the play, but also gotten yourself a dividend along the way. So let's take a look at the chart real quick. So this chart here shows you exactly where the last upward move was in Valero. Now, as you can see, the oil market has been building its way up. Well, companies that are directly financially connected to the oil market, like a refiner, like a retailer, somebody who is based completely and built around. I mean, Valero doesn't exist without oil. So if the oil market's running, so is the likeliness of these particular energy sector stocks. Valero being one of them, ExxonMobil, Marathon, Chevron. Pick the one you love. This one really performed very well in a short period of time. We ran from 65 to almost 85 inside just a several week period of time. This is a very simple V-swarm style entry. We knew the market was trending long. This was just where you got in it. You could have managed this trade two ways, either with the trends and stops, or you could have taken profit along the way using the ATRs, which I have displayed here for you. So the idea here is, just because a sector's booming doesn't mean you have to buy the whole sector. You could pick a stock that will do well, and Valero is one of them. And this is how you could have had excellent exposure to the energy sector run. Now, if we get another run, Valero may be poised to pop again. So you could buy the stock, which you get a dividend on, or you could buy call options. Take a leverage position with the less exposure, calculated risk. You can take advantage of the next move in Valero. So, guys, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. And this is extremely fitting for the trading industry. And why do I say that? Listen, taking losses along the way is part of trading. Now, of course, we want to do everything we can to minimize them. We prefer to take low risk, high probability trades. That's what we teach here at Hawkeye. That's what I give you in my service at Big Energy Profits. Everything is calculated. But on the occasion, the market will turn against us. And there is really nothing we can do to prevent it. But what we can do is stay tried and true to our trade plan, tried and true to our methodology, and continue on as a trader. Listen, we will have winning trades. We will have a few losing trades. The objective, of course, is to have those winning trades long outweigh the losing trades. And that is how you become successful, consistent, disciplined, and most importantly, profitable in this business. Now, that's what we teach here. We give you the indicators. We teach you the methodology. We help you build your trade plan. It is a full circle service here at Hawkeye Traders. That's what we do. We help you hit the ground running. So if you want to learn more, there's a link directly below this video. Click on it. We'll take you to what we call the Project V-Swarm webinar, where you will see yours truly right here. I'm going to show you example after example how we leverage volume that precedes price action and how price action becomes reactive to areas of supply and demand. And guess what? If you can put that equation together, you too can be a successful, profitable, consistent, and most importantly, disciplined trader. So guys, click that link, check out the webinar, get signed up, and we would love to welcome you into the Hawkeye family. Have a blessed day, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Take care.